Good morning, students. So today we are going to see 5th class term 1 English subject, The Cure for the King lesson continuation. So our lesson name is A Cure for the King. Once again I will repeat the previous class. So once upon a time there lived a king who thought that he always very sick. Even the best doctors could not find anything wrong with him, so they could not cure him. So again the king said, I will reward anyone who cures me with a bag full of gold coins. So these words spread throughout the kingdom, and after listening these words and about the reward with a bag full of coins, the young man heard about the reward and the king's strange disease. The young man came to the kingdom for the king's cure, and the young man said that I brought a cure for the king's illness. This is the red juice, the red medicine which will cure you very quickly. But the king said that I don't have only one disease, but I have 100 ailments. So how can this only one red juice can cure my ailments? So the medicine cures every. So this young man said that this medicine cures every illness, but one condition he gave. What is that condition? While taking the medicine, you should not think of elephants. But the next morning, the king decided to take the medicine. He thought about the elephants. So after that, we will continue our lesson. At once, the image of an elephant flashed through his mind. While taking the medicine, the image of elephant flashed through the king's mind. He could not think of anything else. He is not thinking anything but about the elephants. The more he tried not to think of elephants, the more he thought about them. So the king decided not to think about the elephants, but the king is thinking about the elephants. Images of charging rogue elephants and little baby elephants following their mothers crowded his mind. Charging rogue means attacking wild and dangerous animals to the king. So he could not take the red medicine that day. So he didn't take that medicine on that day because he is thinking about the elephants. Strangely, this happened every day. Every time he picked up the jar of medicine, he thought of elephants. Not one day, it happened every day. Every time the king picked up the jar of medicine for the cure, he thought of elephants. A month later, the young man returned to the palace. So here you can see this is the young man, and after 1 month, he returned to the palace. Your Majesty, the rare red medicine helped you? He asked the king. So he brought the red medicine for the cure's king. The young man asked that, Majesty, have the red medicine helped you? He asked the king. So the king said, I could not take it, said the king. I could not think of anything but elephants. So the king said to the young man that, sorry, I could not take that medicine because while I am taking medicine, I am thinking about elephants. But what about your aches and pains? Asked the man. Because he asked the king that, what about your aches and pains? You are always sick. So aches and pains, why? I have not even thought of them. Suddenly the king asked that, aches and pains, what are those? I have not thought about them, exclaimed the king. I was too busy trying not to think of elephants. I was busy in trying not to think of elephants, but the elephants appeared in my mind. This proved that you never had any illness, my lord. If you were in real pain, not even elephants could keep you from feeling ill. Because this proves that, the young man said, this proved that you never had any illness, my lord. If you are ill, you would have think about your aches and pains. So you are not ill now. The man said with a smile, you are cured, my lord. So I am, said the king with a laugh. He gave the man a bag full of gold coins. From then on, the king did not waste his time lying in bed, imagining he was ill when he was not. So from that time, the king decided the king is not thinking or not imagining that he was ill and he was not. So this is the lesson of the cure for the king. I hope you have understood. So in next class we'll see objective of this lesson. Thank you.